TBM brakes, front wheel speed sensor. You can see the new TBM tone ring released at PRI this year. Very nice piece, easily installable on an existing TBM hub. Really nice kit from those guys. Uses retaining compound, slip fit, 10-minute install, to be honest, very quick. And in my case, bracket made at home and a Cherry GS 100101 sensor for pickup, or now known as ZF or ZF, depending on if you're Canadian or American. And we're feeding it into a Holley for front wheel speed. We'll give it a little spin here. Very responsive, picks it up right away. You can see it on the trace, even at very low speed, very low rotation. We're seeing immediate pickup and immediate acceleration for front wheel speed. Very nice product. TBM, you guys killed it on this one.